training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster when he becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Welcome, I am Praveen Nair from bodyprocoach.com. So I'm going to be doing a Coco Kale Cooler. This is amazing. This only takes about a few seconds to make this ready, and it's very, very high in nutrition. It's time to see the recipe. Let's go.
Hi guys, today we're doing a Coco Kale Cooler. Ingredients for the same are: here I have Kara coconut milk, unsweetened. I'm going to use 100 ml of the same. Next I have is Stevia powder. Then I have Inja Collagen. Then I have 1 cup of kale and 30 grams has avocado. Lastly, some ice cubes. First, in a blender, we're going to add coconut milk. So I'm taking 100 ml of coconut milk. Next I'm going to add is my Inja Collagen, 1 scoop. Then I have Stevia. I'm going to add 2 small spoons of the same, that's equal to half a teaspoon. Then I'm taking few ice cubes, about 4 to 5 of them. Little water. If you want it little thin in consistency. Then I have 1 cup kale and some avocados. So that's 30 grams of avocado. And our Coco Kale Cooler is ready. Super yum, loaded with antioxidants and full of satiety.
Alright, our Coco Kale Cooler is ready to serve. So being said that, we always make recipes which are high in nutrition and get you a sense about having this one. We'll put in all the details about how to make this one in the description below and the benefits of it. At the same time, you can purchase all the ingredients and the instrument that you've used to prepare these recipes below the link. Alright? So being said that, Coco Kale Cooler is a great option when it comes to replacing a meal because it's actually got all those macros to be taken care of in the meal. Alright? So coconut is high in electrolytes and it can prevent fatigue. At the same time, kale is a great option when it comes to looking for low calorie meal options. At the same time, kale is high in vitamins. Approximately 1 cup of kale carries only 33 calories, which is actually a great option. So being said that, you want to make sure that subscribe, hit that bell icon, please do share the channel with friends and family because we've got about more than 600 videos for you guys, which is all about fitness. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm looking forward to see you in the next time. Thank you.